We made a video about a week or so ago, and we were answering a question about using notebooks as knowledge in GEMS. At the time, the answer was that you could not add notebooks. They had removed it for whatever reason. We're making this video as a follow-up to that follow-up for the person who asked the question and anyone else who's interested, because they've changed it again and you can now add notebooks as knowledge in GEMS. So if you're following along, this is Gemini app on the desktop. That is gemini.google.com. And then you expand the left side menu here and you want to go to GEMS. It might be under your settings menu. You can either start a new gem, you can edit an existing gem, it doesn't really matter. I'll just edit one that's here. You go down to knowledge, click on plus to add files. Right here you can see Gemini Notebook. Before they took it away last time, it was NotebookLM. I'm guessing that was why it left for, I don't know, about a week. But now it is back, and you can add any of your Gemini notebooks that are on the same account as knowledge for your GEMS. This is a pro account. The other thing that I want to point out is, let me switch over to a plus account. Okay, now this is a plus account and it's the same thing. It's gemini.google.com. You log into your account, you expand the sidebar, and then you either select GEMS from here or you go to settings and select GEMS from there. And then you either go to a new gem or an existing gem. I don't have any existing gems here, so I'll do a new one to illustrate this. Down to the knowledge section and click on the plus. Gemini Notebook is here also. The other thing that I want to point out on the plus account, at least for me, is that Photos is here now. Photos was originally here, and then when they took away NotebookLM, they also took away Photos. Now they've added both of them back. I don't know how or why they're linked. I just know that they were both gone and now they're both back. If you happen to notice that photos were gone from knowledge, from your gems, know that they are also back. So that's it. It's a quick follow-up to a follow-up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.